Hi, I'm Devesh, Senior Insurance Claim Manager at VehicleCare. We are launching DCX, Digital Claim Experience. Now you can get your insurance claim process complete in just 3 minutes. No longer paperwork, no running around, just a simple and easy process. You can simply download the VehicleCare app from the Play Store or at App Store. Log in using the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP. Once you logged in, then go to the insurance claim section. You will find it at the bottom, the second icon next to the home button. After selecting it, click Start. We provide you roadside assistance if you meet any accident or if your car is damaged and you can't drive. We offer towing service, jump start, flat tire change, fuel delivery. Simply select your location and our team will reach to you.
Upload policy and document. If you have already saved your policy documents in the VehicleCare app document wallet, you can proceed directly without uploading anything. If not, simply upload your policy documents and our system will handle the rest.
The claim form will be auto-filled, no need for manual data entry.
Ensure the data accuracy and reduce the rejection.
Next, now take clear pictures of your damaged car from all four sides. After uploading, fill the cause of damage.
Claim submitted.
Pick and drop for RSA. If your car is damaged and you can't drive, we will send a pickup agent to collect it safely. Our team will assign a pickup agent for you. No need to worry, your car will be completely safe.
VehicleCare agent will come to pick up your car.
You can see the details of the agent, name, photo, and contact info in the app. You will get a one-time password OTP for extra safety. Once you enter the OTP, you can confidently hand over your car. Now your car is in safe hands. Once we pick up your car, you will get real-time updates as a notification.
Your car has reached at the workshop.
You will always know what's happening with your car.
Once your vehicle is ready, you will be notified and receive real-time updates. You will receive a notification with all the details.
All insurance claim and RSA available at VehicleCare. Now process your insurance claim and RSA request from home in just 3 minutes with DCX.